Today in Adulting with Ani, I'm showing you the math behind the trick of 13s. So if you remember from the trick, you first shuffle your cards, and then you deal out a card, and then starting at this card, you count up to the number 13. So dealing out cards, we start at 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's one pile. Then we go again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Second pile, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now you keep going to as many piles as you can get. You just need at least 3 piles because in the end, someone else is going to choose which piles they want and you're going to flip them over. So now remember, that card that we started with, we just flipped over, is now on the top. So then you have your 3 piles and you flip over any 2 piles. So let's just do this one and this one. I have a 9 and an 8. So what you're going to do, you're going to add those 2 numbers together and add 10 and deal out that number from this deck to find the remaining card. So 9 plus 8 is 17, plus 10 is 27. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. And the remaining number of cards I have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is the same as this card. But why does this work? So I did ask my cousin, who is a mathematician, and he said it's simple algebra. And this is his explanation. I didn't really understand it though. So I'm going to try and explain it to the best of my understanding. So if you think about a deck of cards, there's 52 cards. And there's 4 different suits in each deck, which each suit has 13 cards. So that's why this trick is called the rule of 13s, because you want to make 4 different sets of 13. So how do we make those sets? So if you remember what we did, we started at 9 and we counted up to 13. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. But how do we get the rest of the 13 in this pack? We did that when we dealt out those cards. We added 9 and 8 together plus 10. So what we can do to move backwards to try and figure it out, we can deal out the 9 right next to this pile. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now you're thinking, well, that's actually 14 cards. Let's just remove these top cards for now. So now this pile right here, we have 13 cards. That's one set of 13. Let's do the same for this one. We had 8 and we counted up to 13. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's put those remaining 8 on this pile out of the cards that we had dealt out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have a second pile of 13 cards. Now these 3 that we're trying to figure out, the middle one, if you think about it, we added 10. So that 10 plus these 3 is another set of 13. So I have 10 cards left over here because I dealt them out earlier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's what I dealt out. So then we have our third pile of 13. So now we need to find out what this remaining card is. And we can do that because after we put this one down, we dealt up to 13. So if you remember, if we would subtract 13 minus this number of cards, we would have this number left. So the ones left in your hand is always going to equal the card that you have left. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left in our hand, and 5 there. This is our last pile of 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The math is always going to work out on this. Simple as that.